I'm Dr. Kathryn Schreck. I'm a clinical psychologist at NorthShore in Portage, and you are watching Ask the Expert. So today we are talking about women's health and stress management. Stress can be really helpful for us. It's a necessity of life. It's a completely normal part of life. But when stress becomes distressing, it can lead to symptoms that are physical, like headaches and stomach aches and fatigue. It can lead to ruminating thoughts. It can lead to irritability, crying, and unmanaged, it can lead to chronic health problems. So for women specifically, women often work what we call a double day. So they often have positions outside of the home where they work full-time and part-time jobs, and they are responsible for most of the care within the home. So with that, women have more stress. There are some things that get in the way specifically for women to manage stress. And some of those things include feeling guilty for taking time for yourself and prioritizing self-care. Another thing can be that you don't feel like you deserve to take care of yourself, or that it's unproductive to take care of yourself in different ways. There are several domains in which we can engage in self-care. So one is physical. Exercise, moving your body, making sure you get adequate sleep. In the area of emotional and cognitive self-care, journaling is a great technique to use. Being able to identify and label emotional states is very important, and being able to share that with other people in healthy and assertive ways. Socially, sometimes when we're stressed, we will isolate or disengage from other people, or we'll notice that there's more interpersonal conflict in our relationships. So it's important to be able to gauge what your social needs are and then make time for these important and healthy relationships. A spiritual part of ourselves is something that's often neglected. So gaining a different perspective on life and being mindful in the moment while you do it can help us with self-care as well. Some ways to start to incorporate some of these self-care tips include making small changes, and when you accomplish those, reward yourself. Another way is to have healthy boundaries. So being able to say no sometimes is very important. And as always, if you need extra help beyond that, you can seek professional help. This doesn't mean that you're weak or that you can't handle things in your life. It actually shows that you're very insightful and aware of your own abilities and your own stress levels. And so if you need the extra help, it's a great strength to have. Here at NorthShore, we offer behavioral health services, including therapy, psychiatric services with medication management, and psychological testing services. Thank you for listening to this edition of Ask the Expert. If you or someone you know need help or are struggling in any way, please call 800-273-TALK, 800-273-TALK. It's anonymous, and you can talk to trained professionals. Otherwise, reach out to a mental health professional if you or someone you know needs help. If you would like more information about NorthShore's mental health services and what we offer here, please visit us at northshorehealth.org.